Am I the only one that didn't know you could actually make money just by playing games or filling out surveys? You need to watch this if you struggle with making some extra cash online. Remember the days when playing games was just a way to procrastinate? Not anymore. With platforms like Swagbucks, gaming can fill your wallet. Just play, achieve, and earn. It's like hitting the jackpot with every level you conquer. Now, if games aren't your thing, how about sharing your opinion? Yes, sites like Inbox Dollars pay you for just that. Whether it's 50 cents or $5, each survey adds up. Imagine buying your morning coffee just by answering a few questions on your phone. And for the tech enthusiasts, ever dreamt of testing the next big app before anyone else? Freecash lets you do just that. From playing games to testing apps, you can earn serious cash, sometimes over $100, just by helping improve the next viral sensation. So, whether you're a gamer, a thinker, or a tech whiz, turning your online time into money is not just a dream. It's an easy reality. Start today and watch your digital pennies grow into dollars.